Hi there, students. You can't get a quart into a pint pot. You can't fit a quart in a pint pot. Okay, this is a proverb. This says you can't do the impossible. So let's see, a quart. A quart in British English is 2 pints. Notice British and American volumes are different. I think a British quart is 1.14 litres, whereas an American one is 0.98 or something like that. Okay, so you can't fit 2 pints into a container that for 1 pint. Yeah, you can't fit a quart into a pint pot. A pint pot is your beer mug that you get in a British pub, but you can't fit 2 pints into it. It just doesn't work. So this is a phrase to use when somebody's trying to ask you to do the impossible. My boss wants me to be in Edinburgh at 5 o'clock. I'm in London now and it's already 2:30. I just can't do it. I can't make it. You can't fit a quart into a pint pot. So this is a phrase to use when somebody is trying to do something impossible. It just can't be done. Or they're asking you to do something impossible. You say this, you can't fit a quart into a pint pot. Well, very clearly, you can't, because it's just an impossible thing to do. Yeah, you're just going to get liquid everywhere. Yeah, you can't fit a large object or a large amount into a smaller container. You're trying to get that truck into that garage. No way. You can't get a quart into a pint pot. Yeah, it's just not going to fit. Yeah, and that's the idea of this. But we use it much more metaphorically to say, yeah, don't ask the impossible. Don't try to get something, make something happen that is just not going to do. She thinks she's going to fit into that dress. You can't get a quart into a pint pot. Okay. So yeah, formality. You can't get a quart into a pint pot. I think I would probably give it 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing. I wouldn't use it in something very formal, but it's a good proverb. Okay, so, well, the origin is obvious. You can't fit something that's too big into something that it doesn't fit in. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. You can't put a quart in a pint pot. You can't get a quart into a pint pot.